Hey guys, Zapped here. Samsung released Galaxy Buds Plus in March of 2020. This is a sequel to their Galaxy Buds that was released in March of 2019. I have Galaxy Buds Plus right here. Let's unbox. Alright, let's unbox. Alright, push it out. So this is how the case looks. Like a big capsule. USB-C charging port, LED light indicator. To charge the case, you can either plug your USB-C cable here, or you can simply place this on top of wireless charger and it will charge. Before we open this, let's check what's inside the box. There's a charging cable, USB-C charging cable, and different tips. They have two different sizes of the wings that goes around the earbuds. Let's open this up. All right. Now the LED indicator inside turned green. This means they're fully charged. Let's take this out and let's take a closer look. So that's how they look. Let me pop this in my ear. This is how it looks. I'm gonna change the wing because this wing feels a tad bit small for my ears. All I have to do is just peel it off like this and it will come out very easily. This is like a soft silicone based material. Now all I have to do is just try to align the hole here with a little protruding part over here. Just place it like so. Just slide it in nicely. That's done. Let me put this back in my ear and see how it feels. This feels a lot more secure now and it feels more sealed. Now if you want, you can even change the buds that go into ear canals. They provide slightly smaller one. If you want, you can replace this with this, or you can go with a slightly larger earbud. So this is all very nice that Samsung included all these different sizes. Now I also have Galaxy Buds from 2019 right here. This is the older model. Let me open this up because they look very similar. Let's take one out. Let's compare these two. So just by looking at it, it's very difficult to see which one is the 2019 model and which one is 2020 model. In fact, the measurements are exactly the same. Let's close the case. Let's check the case. 2020 model, the case has this shiny finish, whereas 2019 model has this matte finish. Pretty much the same size. Everything looks the same except the surface finish. Let's check the weight of the case first. 2019 model first, 40 grams. Now 2020 model, 41 grams. So this is 1 gram heavier. And that's because this has a larger battery inside compared to 2019 model. Now the earbuds themselves, 2019 model, 5 grams. Now let's check 2020 model, 6 grams. Alright, so this is 1 gram heavier than the older model. And that's also because the 2020 model has larger battery size compared to the 2019 model, which is a big plus. 2020 model has 85 milliamp, 2019 model has 58 milliamp. The bump from 58 milliamp to 85 milliamp is almost 47% increase in battery size. Samsung claims Buds Plus offer 11 hours of music playtime, whereas Buds from 2019 offer 6 hours. Also, the battery in the case got more juice now too. This Buds case from 2019 has 252 milliamp battery, and Buds Plus case from 2020 have 270 milliamp. And they did this to try to match the increased battery size in the Buds themselves. The fact that the battery in the case also got bigger is not mentioned often, and I wanted to bring it up here. One more difference that caught my attention is that Buds Plus have a woofer and tweeter in each bud. Buds from 2019 had one-way dynamic only. Both Buds Plus and Buds work on Bluetooth 5.0. So when you watch Netflix, actors and actresses don't look like they're lip syncing, which is great. Alright, so here we have Galaxy Buds Plus from 2020 and Bud from 2019. I want to show you how they sound. And you know, as a tech-loving person, I watch a lot of YouTube tech review channels. Some of the big players like Android Central or The Verge, Frothy Coder, just to name a few. And I love all these channels. When it comes to showing how Bluetooth earbuds sound, I haven't really seen anyone do this. I got something like this. This is a clear silicone ear model, and I can fit Bluetooth earbud here. The sound from the earbud will go through the silicone ear canal out on the back side. I will place the shotgun mic against the hole that the sound will be coming out of, like so, and try to pick up the sound. This is a silicone ear model and it's not human flesh, so the sound waves will not bounce in the silicone ear canal like they would in real human ear canal. But this is as close as I can get in presenting how Bluetooth earbud actually sound. First, we'll check earbuds from 2019 and see how they sound. And after that, we'll check 2020 model. To make it a little bit easy to tell, I put a D-brand sticker here on 2020 model. So this without the sticker here is 2019 model, and this with the sticker here is 2020 model. And we'll check out 2019 model first. Let's do this. I'm gonna place this in this silicone ear model, like so. This is how it looks. You can see the bud inside the canal, and there's a hole here where the sound will be coming out, and I'll cover the hole with a shotgun mic. Alright, let's do this. The changes Samsung made on Buds Plus are certainly welcome. The bigger battery and two-way speakers are not make or break differences, to me at least. But if you never owned a wireless earbuds, Galaxy Buds Plus checks most boxes. And at $150, I think this is a win for you. Right now, Samsung is offering $20 off, making it $130 a pop. Samsung doesn't state how long they keep this discount, so if you're in the market, go grab them now. Alright, that was my 2 cents on Galaxy Buds Plus. See ya!